Hello guys, welcome back to another video. It's been a while since I've done one of these blokees Transformers. And right here, we have Defender version 07, Power of the Beast. Alright, as you can see, this side has all the figures. If you know what the blokees Defender is, I really don't need to be showing you. But here's the top, and the sides, just the sides. Alright, here's what the box like open. And here's what one of the single boxes look like. Alright, I'll see you after the unboxing. Alright, we have all the figures built. I'm gonna tell you, these are some of the coolest figures. Well, every single one is cool. Alright, first we gotta talk about these. The cards I'll come with. Every single Defender comes with a card. And, hang on, let me grab, so you see, the card has the picture of the character. I don't know what this QR code does, but if you hold on to the back, has the instructions how to build them. Alright, so this figure is actually interesting. We have Cliff Jumper. Yeah, Cliff Jumper. The Galaxy figure has a mat, but see, he's not mad. Comes with the gun that they've been introducing since wave number 5, I believe. And yeah, Cliff Jumper, kind of, he's not the same as Bumblebee, because he has this piece that Bumblebee also uses, but the head, this body piece, is all different. Okay, we need a medic. We got Ratchet. It's Ratchet. The medic has a silver gun, and also, since he's a medic, he doesn't have the red crosses on him. Alright, I forgot to mention, Ratchet comes with a collectible coin. Now, there's 3 to get, and I got the big convoy coin. Okay, we're not done with Ratchet just yet, because we have Ratchet's vehicle mode. Yeah, there's only like printing here, not on the sides. But if you open, like, here we go. There's a little turret that comes out. But also, you can close the turret. There's a little hole right here. You can just have this gun on top. Oh yeah, it has wheels, so it could roll, but this is not a good place to roll. I could just move them forward and show you that the wheels actually move. Alright, we're not really done with G1 next, but we have another character who could go to Volcanicus, who's coming out. We have Sludge. This is the third time they had Sludge. His tail is silver. His head oh my goodness. His mouth could open. And also, I don't know where the piece went, but you get 2 of these pegs right here. It also came with the other one. And if you see right here, you can take this off. And this is going to be a part of Volcanicus coming out soon. Well, once they release the other 2 Dinobots. Alright, so in Wave 5, there was 2 figures. We had Jetfire, and we have Galvatron. This is the glittering Galvatron, so it's like translucent. He also has silver eyes. If I could just, yeah, right there, silver eyes. his gun is actually just translucent and like painted. And this is actually supposed to represent, if you've seen the first Transformers movie, I bet some of us hasn't. I haven't seen the movie. But this is him like this is Galvatron mid-transformation from Megatron after Unicron like got him from space. So every wave must have a Shattered Glass character. Okay, so this Shattered Glass character is a actual... Well, I actually like this Shattered Glass figure. And we already got this figure in Wave 3. We have... Shattered Glass Grimlock. So instead of a translucent red sword, he has a silver sword. There's no detail on the legs. He also has orange eyes. They just make a lot of new eye colors. I actually like this one. And if they could make a Shattered Glass Defender Grimlock in his Dino mode, that'd actually go well with this one. Okay, so when we saw this figure first, everyone thought, and also me, thought this was a character Blockies have already done. We have Gigastorm. And if you don't know, Blockies made a Triptychon. I don't have the Triptychon. I would compare the two if I actually had Triptychon. This one actually has a lot of detail. The guns could move. This part right here you can open up and see a really tiny detail in there. I don't know what's in there. Gigastorm, you can open his mouth. Also, there's these slots for like effect pieces. This would come with an effect piece, so I actually like this figure. Now, it will be very easy to turn this figure into non-Gigastorm Triptychon. Okay, if I had a nickel for every time this wave came with Galvatron, I have 2 nickels. Now we have Beast Wars Galvatron, and some of you guys might be asking, where does he come from? Well, he comes from the Japanese Beast Wars. Same with some of the other characters. He has this like blade. He has this like blade and also machine gun. So like a machine gun on his like leg. 2 of them. That's cool. And also, if you flip them around, look at all the detail on the back. Galvatron. This is actually one of the ones that's very, very worth it just to buy on your own. Well, or just buy the whole set. But we have, this guy has a big old accessory. Magmatron. Magmatron kind of just has like the legs of Beast Wars Megatron from the last wave. Has this big old shield. Winged, which are just one color. And here's what. This big old sword. This is one of the biggest Defender accessories they have. And also, as you can see, we have what I believe is a Triceratops and 2 dino heads on here. I do not know if this guy is a Constructicon, is one of the big guys, like Devastator or Bruticus. Well, this one's pretty cool either way. Alright, this is the last alt mode of the wave. We have Leo Prime's alt mode. So, you can... He's mostly white and yellow. You can open his mouth. The legs move, and these flaps also come out. I'll show you what they do, though. But there's a gimmick with this figure right here. Alright, we have Leo Prime. So this is I got the normal Leo Prime. I didn't get the Nemesis Leo Prime or the special armor type one. He has a yellow gun. It also has like a jetpack. If I got the rare one, it would come with a blue translucent piece. I would be able to put there. Probably one of the coolest figures. Also, he has yellow eyes. I believe this one and, well, the other one, and also Big Convoy has yellow eyes. Looks like he's got a yellow gun. And these, oh, shoot. These are also printed, which it blends in really well. Okay, so according to the instructions, you have to take this part off and take the head off of here. And it'd be cool if this piece could go on here, but it won't. So, will you move these out if the camera could focus? Let me take out this gun. And I think you, like, put it on his shoulder. I don't know if I'm doing this right. Hang on, let me show you on the box right here. Yeah, here's what it looks like. So, I'm judging by this if I just move it around a bit. Yeah, look. This is if you turn his head from his armor into a big old shield. Might as well just give him the gun. Boom. He now has a shield. And for the rare figure, I got the Special Galaxy type Nemesis Prime. Now, instead of it be calling the Nemesis Big Convoy, they call it Nemesis Prime. He has, like, just the regular red eyes. I do not know why they did not give him the red shiny eyes. These pieces move, like, that far back, this far front, and also this gun. His gun is actually his head when he transforms. I like how this figure looks, though. I always wanted a Nemesis Prime in Defender, and everyone. So this is actually one of my favorite figures. I have one of the boxes, so if the light won't reflect, there's the Special Galaxy type Nemesis Leo Prime, which is like all black and like silver. Then the Big Convoy, which is the normal Big Convoy, which I didn't get. Then we have the Special Armor type one with this big old gun, and yes, I believe you still get this gun right here. And then the Special Armor type Leo Prime, which has this effect where you can plug it into the back where I showed you. It also comes with this cape and these two new accessories. Anyways, thank you for watching this video. Comment, like, and subscribe. Check out my TikTok, and I'll see you guys in another video. Also, if you wonder, where the heck is Wave 5? I have the Wave 5 on the TikTok, which was posted, like, on December. So, if you're wondering where's Defender version 05, it's just in my TikTok. I could make a YouTube video about it. I actually might. So, thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.